And my next garnish is going to be Parmesan cheese. Parmigiano Reggiano is actually the best cheese in my opinion. I love it. It's got the best flavor. There's nothing that compares to it, and it's definitely not the greatest stuff in the can. So if you can, find a little bit of Parmigiano Reggiano. It's going to bring a whole nother flavor level to your spaghetti meatballs. There's several ways that you can use your Parmigiano Reggiano on your meatballs. You can grate it using a box grater and actually have grates of cheese here. You can use a zester, and I'll just show you real quick what that looks like. It gives little angel hair type pieces of Parmesan on your cheese here. Or you can make chards with it, or long strips, using your vegetable peeler. And I kind of like the look at that. Parmesan's got a really nice nutty flavor, and when it's paired well with everything, it's amazing. It's such a good flavor, such a good thing. So I'm just going to get some pieces here going on top of my spaghetti meatballs. All right. And now we're ready for dinner. This is what your spaghetti meatballs will look like.